Now we've just been watching that, and I've got the same hat on.
Oh, have you? I didn't
Yeah,
notice.
this is the one. I actually bought this. It reminded me of a baggy green, an Australian baggy green, but it's actually from Italy. So you'll see it in the upcoming video. What a fun day.
Oh, I love this video. It's really good.
Well, we went picking olives with the family. We just rocked up. We met a family in Sicily and asked if we could help them pick olives. They kindly said we could. It was a lot of fun. Anyway, enjoy. We have endless acres of beautiful olive trees all throughout here and across as far as the eye can see here. You have these gorgeous old olive groves. And we just happen to be here in olive picking season as well. Now we're back out in the olive groves because the guy said they were going to be back here at 2 o'clock and that I'd be able to help them pick some olives. Let's have a little look and see. They're not where they were earlier on, but I hear some noise a little bit further up here. And I hear some voices. You see here the cactus as well that grows. Cactus is really abundant here in Sicilia. They pick the fruit. The guys are here. So the lady's moving some big logs out of the way. How are they doing?
Ecco, mi sta.
Sì, sì. Aspetta che vengo io pure.
I'm going to watch her. Turn around.
So they're moving the logs. I'm helping them move the logs around.
Una.
Various sizes, from the big ones to the piccolo. I'm going to pull these off by hand, Michelle, these ones, because they're going to be coming along and pulling them off by hand. And get right in, try and do them justice, getting the olives that he couldn't get with the shaker. And I think it's important to get as much of the crop as possible. Find yourself somewhere secure to stand where you're not actually standing on too much of the produce. Right inside here in the center, we've got loads of green olives. They're beautiful and soft and tender. They're not, they look green, they look like they should be firm, but they're beautiful. Now, don't know these guys. We've just met them. If you look out behind, across these fields, you can see cultivation throughout the land. And these guys here working hard to get this crop up. So that was nice. We just bumped into a family picking olives, gave them a bit of help, had a little chat, understood a little bit of what we were talking about, what they were talking about, and they were more than welcome just to let us join in. I'm sure possibly I was more of a hindrance than a help. No, I think I was helping quite a bit. So it was fun.
You were the light entertainment when you were using the machine, shaking the... they were all laughing at you.
Michelle saying they're all laughing at me when I was using the big shaker. Probably because I think I did all right. Hopefully Michelle caught a bit of it on camera. It was good fun. All these trees beside me, this whole olive grove that we're just about to cut through to go back to our place, is still completely laden. You can see, full of fruit. Look at the clover. These are all the irrigation pipes that run all the way through the orchard so that they can water these. But look at the beautiful stump of that tree. It's very similar to the one near where we're staying, but it's got real age and it's still full of beautiful olive fruit. They must get tons and tons and tons of olives or olive oil. Just in through here you can see there's a fruit tree, little satsuma tree. Now whether or not that's because it's to attract, maybe the blossom from the fruit trees attracts the bees, I suspect it probably is, but there's another one just over there, one here that's full of fruit. Here comes Michelle. Got some olives, picked up some, look at the size, those beautiful olives. Beautiful fruit. We're a little bit lost now.
Up to the well.
There are dozens and dozens of wells. Obviously the irrigation is done through wells, and they're all numbered. There's a spray paint sort of numbering. The one near us is 221, 222. See if this one has a number. It actually hasn't got a cap or a cover on this one. So the water is just down there. Now normally they have a capstone over the top of the wells. That one doesn't. Now I'm in somebody else's backyard, I think, but we're just staying over here. Wow, look at the grapes growing outside here. How beautiful. Big bunches of grapes, huge. This vine is heavy with gorgeous grapes. If you want to support us on this particular venture, you can get across and check out patreon.com, Steve's Kitchen. Look at the size of this grandfather olive tree here. He is so big, so gorgeous, and that is our little place that we're stopped in. Those of you that watch Steve's Kitchen and can't support us at the moment, don't worry about it. We'll still be doing regular projects here on Steve's Kitchen, but just wanted to share with you, we've arrived at this beautiful little olive grove. This is our back garden for a short time anyway. We hope you enjoyed that. In the next episode, we're actually going to go to an Olivecchio,
where they press the olives.
Yeah, we're going to go to an olive pressing place. It's really cool. So join us for the next episode. Take care.